Who's that?
Mimi.
Who is that?
Green.
Granny. Okay, let's switch the page. Alright. Who's that?
Mama.
Mama. Who's this? Camille. Who's this?
Papa.
Grandpa, that's right. Who's this?
Mimi.
Mimi. Okay. Who's this?
Giga.
Jacob. But who's this?
Giga. Mom. Tom.
Tom. Who's this?
Hi.
Auntie. Who's this?
Cousin.
Gabby. Where's Owie? Who's that?
Owie.
Owie. Okay. Who's that? Dada. You know Dada. Okay. Who's this?
Google.
Uncle. Okay, want to do it again? Who's this?
Mimi.
No, who's this?
Mimi.
That's Granny. Silly. Who's that?
Mama.
Mama. Who's this?
Mama. Beep.
Who's this?
Beep.
Beepa. Okay, can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Bye-bye.
Can you tell the camera you're going to take a nap?
Giga.
Okay, you want to see Jacob? Okay.
Okay.
Who's that? There's Jacob. Who's this right here?
Giga.
Jacob. But who's this big guy right there? Who's that?
Bye-bye. Tom.
Tom. All right, now we're going to say bye-bye to the camera. Okay, say I'm going to go take a nap. I have to go night-night. All right.